How to save or export video from CapCut to gallery. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll learn on how to save or export your edited videos from CapCut to your photo gallery. So CapCut is a popular video editing app and saving video is quite simple. First of all, you have to open the application and then create a quick video that I'll edit and save it to my gallery. The first option is to tap on the X button in the top left corner of the screen. This will save your video as a project within CapCut. You can also access this project whenever you reopen the app, and tapping on the project will bring you back to the editor, allowing you to continue editing. However, keep in mind that this method does not save the video to your photo gallery, and you won't be able to share it on your social media. To save your video to the photo gallery, tap on the resolution button next to arrow icon in the top right corner. This will open export settings, where you can choose the frame rate, resolution, and bitrate for your video. Higher settings will improve video quality, but they will also increase the file size, and if your device has limited storage, consider using lower settings. Once you've selected your export settings, tap on the export button and wait a few moments for the export to complete, depending on the size of your project. After CapCut has finished exporting, you can exit the app and check your photo gallery. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can save and export video from CapCut to gallery. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.